Affiliate marketing tips and tricks for the beginner. With the mobile internet market absolutely exploding, there's millions of more computer users now than there were just a year ago. This means there are hundreds of thousands of new online shoppers, all ready to be led to a product via your links. If you've always wanted to earn commissions from other people's purchases, this video will tell you how to do it. Stay connected to the audience by being communicative on message boards. Listen to the opinions of the readers and get to know what they are looking for. Affiliate marketers should understand the changing desires of the audience by constantly researching their current needs and adding popular choices to the website. When selecting an affiliate program, be very sure to read the fine print of your contract, and especially beware any exclusivity clauses. An exclusivity clause may dictate that you can only promote that company's products on your website. This can seriously impact your earnings if you plan to use multiple programs. Who doesn't love a bit of free advertising? Get your business, and your website, listed in free business directories. There are many out there, such as Yelp, YellowPages.com, and InfoUSA. Listing with them can lead to a boost in website traffic as well as a boost in the success of your business. If you are ever going to make money in the affiliate marketing industry, it is important that you buy a domain name. While this may seem obvious, the novice may not know what affiliate advertising entails. You should try to get a domain name that fits your product perfectly. Earning fat commissions by being the literal, driving force of a product's sales is a very rewarding venture. If you can follow the advice and steps laid out in this video, you can work your way up through the ranks of affiliate marketing and eventually, become a big player in the market. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.